Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing super well. Today we are toning my hair. I thought I would bring you along for the ride because I really enjoy watching these videos on YouTube. So that's what we're gonna do. I recently went and got it all chopped off just because I'm trying to kind of like restart this whole hair situation and get it all back to like a healthier, happier state. So I got it all cut. I say we, but my hairstylist did all the work. She stripped all the past color out and then it was just left with like the lightened bits from where I had just like all over bleached my entire head. But at that point I'd had like this much regrowth. So then she went in with a full head of highlights and that's kind of where we left it. That was about 2 months ago. She suggested I wait like at least 3 months before doing anything else just to kind of give my hair a chance to recover and, you know, get a little happier. So we're at 2 months. In another month I think I'll go back and she's going to do another full head of highlights and lowlights. That being said, she did suggest that because my hair grows so fast, and I mean 2 months and this is the amount of regrowth I have, which, you know, doesn't look so hot. She suggested that I just give it a quick tone at home, and that's what we're gonna do today. And she said that after we do the full highlights and lowlights and the color in another month, just to continue using these products as well to maintain the overall tone. So I'll show you the products that I'm using today. First up is the Voila Cream Developer. This is a 20 volume developer. It's just what she suggested, so that's what I'm going to use just to be safe. Then I'm actually mixing two different toners. So they're both Voila Permanent Liquid Hair Toners. This is the T18, which is the lightest ash blonde toner, and this is T11, which is like a light beige blonde toner. So I'm going to mix the two of them together on her recommendation. And yeah, hopefully I won't look this yellow and brassy. It should fade, not fade, because I don't think this will actually lighten my natural hair color, like my root color, but it'll kind of give it like a smudged look, I think, to kind of make this a little less dramatic and hideous. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. In the next clip I will have toned hair. It is looking a little warmer than it actually looks in person in my mirror here, just because I had to, it's later in the afternoon now and I had to turn a light on. But it's slightly ashier than I think it looks in the viewfinder, at least. I'll see when I'm editing. But yeah, this is how it turned out. I'm pretty happy with it. It's not as ashy as I wanted it to be. I am pretty happy with the tone of it. I would say I would leave the whole mixture on a little bit longer next time. I combined the T11 and the T18 with the developer and I left it on for 20 minutes, and this is the result after rinsing, shampooing, conditioning, attempting to curl my new short hairdo. That's still a work in progress. And I really like it. I still think it's an improvement from before. If I was going to do it again, I would probably leave it on for an extra 20 minutes just to do the full 40 minutes. I just got a little nervous because it looked bright purple on my hair and I thought I was going to rinse it out and have purple hair, but now I know better. The purple is okay. But yeah guys, that is that. I hope you enjoyed the video. If any of you guys have short hair like this and you have suggestions for styling it, I am all ears because I'm kind of struggling. I really like, you know, voluminous, curly, like tousled, messy hair, but I'm finding that, I don't know, it's much harder than it was when I had the longer hair. So if you have any hairstyle suggestions or styling tips and tricks, I would love to hear from you in the comments down below. Alright, that's that. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.